Hello friends, welcome to another weekly dose of railways. Let's have quick recap. Please like, share video and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon. Now let's start today's episode. This diesel locomotive came by throwing out flames since this goods wagon was too much for one engine. This is footage of Great Train Race at Steamfest 2017 in New South Wales. This is replica of 1815 steam locomotive named Steam Elephant. In Switzerland, there is a beautiful 9-arc spiral viaduct where train climb about 7% gradient towards the Bernina Pass. A rare event captured where train got covered in coal dust. This monorail travels right through 19-story building and have station at 6 to 8 floor. Train wheel making its way through water. All the sources will be linked in the description. Thanks for watching and we will meet next week.